On the country file, this one. It's a country file. That's a calendar one, a lot.
It is, yeah. See you later. Somebody told me the other day that he'd heard a noise like this, and I didn't connect it with woodpeckers. I told him it might be a missel thrush, but that's definitely what he heard. Look at that. Here's the swans now. I think they're going to fly. I think they've come down to this end, and look at them. They're all looking very alert. I think they're going to take off and fly right to the other end. Come on, do it. Grey on the post. Newton is somewhere. Huey is over in the back pond feeding people. Sorry about the focus. That's a bummer. There's Huey. So Newton and Grey are both. The family on the right out there has just flown in. As I drove in, they came into land, so this other family seems to be going out to meet them. Look at that. It's just greeting, it's not fighting or anything. They seem to be just saying, yeah, here we are. Did you have a good trip? And all that kind of stuff. I love whooper swans. And that's a golden eye out there doing his thing. Very pretty feathers. I don't know what this is. A female shovel? I don't know. Very pretty. Certainly not a mallard, and I think that beak is longer. Look. I think this is what the ranger was telling me was the juvie pintail the other day. Very pretty plumage. I can't really see if his tail's quite growing, but